A. A for apple. B for bread. C for candy. D for dates. E for eggplant. F for fig. G for grapes. H for honey. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kiwi. L for lychee. M for milk. N for noodles. O for Omi. P for pepper. Q for queen. R for radish. S for sandwich. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for vegetable. W for weed. X for xylophone.